Hello, everyone, and welcome to day two of event-driven Ansible and Zabbix for our MPLS infrastructure. So, without wasting much time today, we are looking at the MPLS network. So, basically, I have a write-up over here. You can read on it, but I'll give a brief description of the network that we have over here. So, for example, starting off with our infrastructure, so we have, let's say, three routers in our core infrastructure. In production networks, we are going to have more than three, and of course, we are going to have a route reflector, either one or two. So here I have a route reflector on R1, so we can check on the configuration of the route reflector. So let me change the size of this. So we are looking at the configuration of the route reflector. So that one is first. So basically what we have on the route reflector, which is router one, is basically we have OSPF configured over there. And then we have the various interfaces configured. We are advertising loopback 0, as well as the interfaces in the core MPLS network over here. And then what I'm doing is that I'm also advertising LDP through OSPF on the all of the interfaces in the core MPLS infrastructure. So I also have a BGP configuration for the route reflector. So I think this is simple for my network engineers who do understand MPLS setups. So we have a simple configuration for MPLS. First of all, we have IPv4 BGP peering, and then after we are done with that, we also configure a VPN v4, which is going to handle the MPBGP. So we also have configuration for our two devices, which is MPLS core P1, which has the IP address of 02 on its loopback. Then we have 03 for core MPLS over here. So two. So basically, this is the configuration for the route reflector. It's not anything complex. It's just a basic configuration to help us understand what we want to achieve. And once we're able to achieve this in this small lab, we can scale it and put it into production. So thank you for watching this video. And in my next video, we will look at the configuration for our